Getting a lot of people asking me how to use the Milwaukee Buy More Save More promotion this year. And the first thing I'm gonna tell you is do not use the app. You can use the app, but none of the tools are gonna be listed as Buy More Save More next to them. And not all of them are on Internet Explorer. Use your web browser. Okay, I'm using Internet Explorer. You can see here this grinder is a part of it. And the glitch is still happening. I got the stubby. I got that and the stubby in my cart right now. So that should only be a $30 savings. It's taking 60 off of there. Okay. Type in Milwaukee Bear Tool only in the search bar. Okay, and some of the tools will say buy more, save more next to them if you use your web browser. But like I said, not all of them do. That grinder, I don't think is listed as buy more, save more next to it. Okay, you just gotta scroll and look. Like the first couple pages, not many of them are a part of it. None of the nailers are. The Gen 3.5 is not. The extended reach ratchet is, I think. But then again, the right angle impact wrench says it is on here, and it's not a part of it. So they got issues going on right now with this promotion. Not only the glitch, but with labeling their tools correctly, that which ones are a part of it and which ones ain't. So you gotta just find what you want. I'm gonna type in the hammer drill because I know that is a part of it. Just to show y'all, I'm pretty sure it's a part of it. Here it is here. Let's see. That's the drill driver. That's not saying it's a part of it. Why ain't they giving me the M18 fuel hammer? It's saying the 12 volt is the M12. Let's see if it is. It was 139. See, and it's not. It's still saying 139 up there. It's labeled as it is a part of it, but it's not. So, like I said, it's they got issues going on with it, but you can take advantage of them if you take your time and sort out and find out. You got to play with it. You got to play around with it. I can tell you right now, the M12 stubby, the M12 fuel multi-tool, and the pack out vacuum are a part of it. That's what I pay for. The grinder I have in my cart right now is a part of it. If you want to go back and see which one it is, those are all a part of it, and you will get twice the savings. See, they keep showing me the drill. They're not showing the M18 hammer drill. What the hell? No, I don't want one key. So you can see it's a pain in the ass, but you can get some good savings here. I'm trying to find the hammer drill and I can't. So here it is. Come on. What in the hell? Alright, bear with me, guys. I don't know what the hell is going on with this thing, but I promise y'all, if you take the time to find the bare tool that you want, just check or just add it to your cart and see if you get the discount or not. Alright? This is saying it's a part of it, but it's clearly not because the price hasn't changed. Now, I don't know. Maybe you can check out. I would push checkout right now, but my address is going to come up. So, just play around with it. But you got to use the Internet Explorer or your web browser, whatever web browser you use. So do not use the app, all right? You can see here, it is a part of it. Let me put in the pack out vacuum and I'll show y'all that is a part of it. Oh my goodness, they just want to sell you all this extra shit. It won't list the damn pack out vacuum by itself. I just bought it. It's crazy, man. Alright, let's do the multi-tool now. Come on, man. I'm not sure if this says it's a part of it or not, but I know it is. Alright, and this one says it is a part of it. So, once I add it, I'm going to go back and look at the listed tools. 106 as of now. You're going to get more savings than that because it's going to add it twice, okay? Saying the high-speed ratchet, the screw gun. It's only got 3 of them listed on this. Wow. But if you want the high-speed ratchet, it's saying it's a part of it. Let's see what it says. I want to know if that high-speed ratchet really is a part of it. Because they got some wacky shit going on here. Yes, the high-speed ratchet is a part of it. But you want to get your total close to 500 as you can. So that you get $300 off. You're only supposed to get $150 off. They're going to give you $300 off with this glitch. Let's remove the stubby. That puts us at 527, okay? The high-speed ratchet, you're going to save $50, so you're going to get another $50 off. You're going to get the high-speed ratchet for around $70 with this glitch. That is crazy. That is a $180 ratchet. Alright, so just play around with it. You see it's a pain in the ass. Okay, but play around with it. Find the tools that you want. Add them to the cart. See if they're a part of it or not. And you got to keep doing it until you figure it out. I mean, it's a pain in the ass, but you're getting you're getting like 60% off per tool if you do it this way.